Yes, the town needs to close the intersection for a variety of reasons. First and foremost is time. Construction will take approximately 2 months by closing the intersection completely. This will allow for faster and more efficient work by the construction personnel. If we don't close the intersection, this construction project could take in excess of 6 months to complete. Secondly, we've identified, in cooperation with town engineers and police department staff, alternative routes for motorists to take. By taking these alternative routes, they'll be patrolled by our officers for those individuals that forget what the speed limit is. And you will be kindly reminded by Oro Valley's finest. Lastly, remember, safety is everybody's responsibility in this project. Not only for the pedestrians, the cyclists, and the motorists alike, but also the construction crews. We are all responsible for each other's safety. Please keep that in mind during this entire construction phase. Your patience is really appreciated. Yes, there will be ample pedestrian access around the construction zone. The town of Oro Valley and the police department have worked with a construction company to ensure that that construction company maintains an acceptable crosswalk area for our pedestrians, our cyclists, and our skateboarders alike. But it's also incumbent upon those individuals that are on bikes, walking, and skateboarding to be aware of their surroundings as they are navigating through this construction zone. But we assure you, there will be a safe passage for those individuals to navigate this construction zone. Roundabouts are statistically proven that they reduce injury collisions as well as property damage when collisions do take place. Unfortunately, recently Oro Valley has seen a significant uptick in fatal collisions in our community, which reminds all of us that we need to slow down and pay closer attention to our surroundings. That said, we also understand that it's going to take time to get used to this. Roundabouts are different in our community. There aren't a lot of them. So we ask for your patience as we all get used to this new change of our traffic control design. We're confident this is going to be better for all of us in the long run. And if you do forget, well, we always have our officers out there to remind you. We thank you for your patience. Please be mindful of the construction zone as we complete this project, and please drive safely.